What's going on, guys? I'm Fury Pixel. Today we are in Cooler Master booth. I'm here with Dore, who's going to introduce a new CPU air and liquid cooling.
Hello everyone, so this is our thermal solution. And this year we are going to deliver the RGB effect as our key message. So we apply all our RGB into all our products. So case fan, air cooler, and also liquid cooler. So let's start from the case fan here. So this year we are not just provide a RGB fan, we also have a software and also our controller to give you a whole thermal solution to complete the RGB. And right here you can see we have several modes right here. We have a static mode and a color cycle, and also the most important is our mirage mode. And you can see the RGB effect right here. Sometimes it moves like slowly. However, it adjusts by the frequency. So actually, the color will change by your setup.
Can you control the speed of the fans on the software? Or?
Yeah, of course, you can do it. Right.
That's great, that's great.
So also we have a Master Liquid Maker 240. This is our in-house design first liquid cooling kit right here with all copper water block and also 240 copper radiator, RGB fan, and
where is light out the RGB fans on the? Just the fan, the liquid cooling have RGB or?
I have an RGB fan on the top. And the whole cooling kit for very easy for entry-level user or first into this area user to start their first PC with the liquid cooling kit.
How do you connect the hub to the motherboard? Is with the USB 2.0 or how do you connect the hub
with the USB port, right? So you can easily control. Without our controller, our RGB fan also can compatible with all the motherboard vendor like Astral, ASUS, Gigabyte, MSI. So if you, for example, if you want to compatible with the ASUS, then you just need to use their Aura Sync. Then you can have your color effect. Easy to set up.
And how many effects do you have in software?
We have 8.
8 effects.
Right. We have Mirage mode. And then RGB, breathing, everything you think, we don't have.
Everything with RGB.
Okay.
Right.
Next, let's move on to the air cooler part. So this year we of course RGB, so we apply to the air cooler, and this is our 6 pipe with a single tower and a dual tower right here.
This looks like the Master Air. Can you still remove the front panel or?
With a retailer version, yes, you can easily change the top cover from air cooler.
Still, Cooler Master we still provide the 3D program to, the file so you can add your own and create your own 3D print cover.
Yeah, we do it. We will have, like for our fans, they all know that we have Master Air Maker 8, right? And we provide the file for you to adjust to create your own cover. So we will do the same thing for when it's launched. So here, this is all our new liquid cooling. It's going to come out this Q4 2017. And we have Master Liquid Pro 120 and 240 RGBs. And then this year, we are not going to apply the RGB fan on the case fan, but also the water block. So the water block can change the color by your setting. Also, we have a very special one that the color will change by the temperature from the motherboard. So it's very interesting. And then now we move to our new tech part. So we have Master Air Maker 3D LV. So I think our fan knows that our previous version called 3D VC, Master Air Maker 8 3D VC. But this time, the second generation, we have a loop heat pipe. Start from the base, and with a loop heat pipe right here, and with nickel coating on top. So this one is very performance. The performance is huge, big, and the performance up to 30% compared with the previous version.
Right. Great. What is that one?
This is our UFO. So this is our top-down cooler, and
it really looks like UFO.
Right, that's true. So with the whole copper based, and this is our heat column air cooler.
Okay, that's right. All of this is RGB, right?
Right.
And everything comparable with the hub you talked earlier.
Right.
That's great. That's great.
Our controller, then you can easily to set up your RGB effect.
All right, guys. So we continue in the Cooler Master booth. We are right now with Bron, who's going to introduce the peripherals, everything that Cooler Master is brand new. So, how are you, man?
Hey, thank you. Yeah, we have a lot of stuff here to show actually for our peripheral section as well. For example, here we have our MS120 combo. It's a really unique combo set with our new mechanical clicky switches. So if you press them, they sound like Cherry MX Blue, so they have that really snappy sound to it as well. Perky RGB illumination, so all kinds of neat effects like rainbows or reactive effects, everything is possible. Obviously it comes in combo with a mouse. Really attractive price point, a lot of functionalities through the FN key, you can adjust it on the fly, so that's all really neat.
This mouse looks pretty ergonomic before than comparison with the past models.
Very true, very ergonomic mouse, right-handed shape design. So if you see here with the ring finger rest, Omron switches, ALPS scroll wheel encoder, so just a really nice quality mouse as well to match the keyboard.
Alright, and he was commenting that we still can set up the RGB separately from the logo, the scroll wheel and the bottom of the mouse. That's right?
Correct, and obviously matching it with a cycle effect from the keyboard or a starlight effect, you can mix and match that to match it to combos.
The software is going to recognize both at the same time, or is like software per peripheral?
Independent. You need to set them independently through the different products.
Oh, okay, that's great, that's great. And we have here a new mousepad from Cooler Master. Can you talk about it?
Yeah, we have actually, the mousepad is just a prototype, but the two mice that are on it that are really close to getting to the market already, that's our MM520 and our MM530. Basically in terms of specifications and features, they're fairly similar. The Pixar 3360 sensor with 12,000 dpi, obviously RGB illumination as well, many good stuff, but the really unique thing is the PBT material application in the left and right button and the middle cover as well. And that's really unique in a mouse because we know and we see ABS versus PBT already on keyboards and keycaps then mainly, but now we've implemented it in the mice as well.
Great. And this is the same keyboard that includes with the package, right? With the keyboard, I mean the mouse, sorry.
The 520 is in terms of the shape, but obviously since it's here a standalone product, we did increase the specs a little bit. So the sensor is a little bit higher end. For this one has 12,000 dpi, and the one that comes with the combo only has 3,500 dpi.
Oh, so we can say like this is like the pro version of the
correct.
mouse. Oh,
correct.
Right. And what would you have to show about the headset? New headset?
In headsets we have one new model as well. It's the MH320. It's going to be a more value-oriented headset, but it's really lightweight. You can feel it actually. It's very lightweight.
Really light.
It's going to be at a very attractive price point of only 40 euros or $40, but it still uses metal construction. Very lightweight, very good cushioning here, and obviously a dedicated microphone for gaming, because that's where this headset is designed for.
The microphone is detachable, or it's included? You can
it's included,
remove
you can fold it away if you're not using it. Obviously very flexible. If your mouth is in a weird position, you can do everything with it.
And personalize as you like.
Exactly.
Right, guys, so we are now in another section. He's going to present about the new headset and also the new, this is the Master Key Pro, the Advanced or something like that, right?
This is part of the Master Keys Pro range, yes. This will be the MK750, so the new top of the range model. What it's added versus the current model is, for example, the soft leatherette wrist rests, dedicated media keys, but you can still have the on-the-fly functionality with the FN key and the insert home delete, so the user can really choose whichever one he prefers. And it also has this light bar RGB in the front and on the two sides, so the user can also match that to whatever look he wants in terms of backlighting. So a really nice top-of-the-range model, everything either on software or through the on-the-fly function keys. So yeah, user has just choice on his preference. Yeah, lastly as well, like you just highlighted as well, the headset, this is a current model. This is the Masterpulse Pro. What is unique about it is the base FX feature, so you see the panels removed, so you can add them or remove them to increase or decrease the bass. For the rest, this model has RGB illumination, 7.1, and obviously everything can be controlled either through software or hardware, on, off, and yeah,